slippery, see? Whee!
Sucker got over there before.
I know. That was the other guy, the one that took off. Oh, yeah, itchy, scratchy.
He's looking at that thing, and I gotta get that. I gotta get that.
He's going to try to...
He's up there. That's cool.
I like the way they chew on it, but it's tin. Is it tin? So that, enough push-ups for one
That
day.
was... Oh, there he goes again. See, he's getting the little, whatever they left. Yeah. He's looking in there, and I want that food.
Yeah,
it's coming. See, it's coming out.
Yeah, there he goes. He's going to go around.
I got that. That was awesome.
You're not going to break it, though, if we don't stop letting him do that.